teaching language. This is the 25 of the Benaji words. And we have expanded them out to a degree. Where Benaji just found I, my, and mine, we went on to me, we, us, ours, you, yours, you. So the words in yellow are the 25, are the 25 and the 26 Benaji words. Then we expanded these out to their morphological, the quantifier some, then we put somebody, something, sometime, somewhere. Want, wants, want. And I'm going to recommend that you teach these and what's necessary to do these. Then this is the core toddler words further expanded and categorized for TV. Now, you have the Benaji core words, you don't have this. Focus on architecture. I'd show the architecture for the pronouns, remember how we showed that? And use pronouns and their architecture in discourse-based teaching activities. Now, what do I mean by discourse-based teaching activities? I don't know. Ask Caroline. I got that from something she wrote years ago. I said, that's a great phrase. Discourse-based. I put it down in yellow crayon, and I think you should then look at the helping verbs like we did, like, is and are. Then I think you need to look at have and to do and the pronoun phrases. And use to be and to have in their pronouns phrase architecture in discourse-based teaching activities. Lexical verbs, those are different from the helping verbs. Lexical verbs would want, go, help. Those are verbs sometimes called content verb. I would also teach the demonstratives, this, that, these, and those. They're delightful. And Gail has a songbook based on these words. You can get it from gailvantakenhove.com. Let me show you what we can do with this and that and these and those. When do kids start using this and that and these and those? They're very early. Okay, now, I think I can clunkily get around here. Okay, you see the overlay here. By the way, vegetable is apple. Remember when we were doing is apple and the Hawaiian way.
Cauliflower.
Okay. Okay. Now, you see this wizard here? You see, he's a wizard guy. Yeah. Well, he's pointing with a magic wand, and he points things out. This, that, these, those. They're demonstratives. Okay. So we're going to select wizard. Would you select wizard? And then down here, you see the finger pointing directly at something. Yeah, hit that one.
This.
That's this. Okay, then Mr. Wizard and the exit sign pointing, the yellow exit sign at number 6.
That.
This, that. Now, English has two demonstratives in the singular, two singular demonstratives. One is the near one, which is this, and that, which is the far one. So the near one we use the hand, that we use the arrow. Now, it also has a singular and plural demonstrative, these and those, for up close and far away. And so, see the dice, we looked for something that was both plural and very close. You see the dice just...
Oh, yeah.
Okay, well, hit Mr. Wizard and the dice.
I got all these, I thought I got clear display, but I got all these lights popped up.
Okay.
Is.
Oh, we're okay now. Mr. Wizard?
And then
These.
Okay. Now, do we see anything that's plural and in the distance? The mountains.
oh, no.
My golly, look at the mountains. There are two of them.
Is.
No,
I know, but this and that kind of mountain.
it's at right under 5.
No.
Yeah, this, that, these, those. Do you see them there? What's your name?
Eva.
Eva. Eva, could you do those again for us? Mr., you know, the wizard and the finger at R.
This.
Wizard and the exit sign.
That.
Wizard and the dice.
These.
Wizard and the mountain. Those.
Those.
Okay, this, that, these, and those. Now, here's Gail's song. It's done to the tune of London Bridge, and she does all of them. They're the pronouns, they're the verbs. They're wonderful songs, and this one is done to London Bridge, and here it goes. This and that, and these and those, these and those, these and those, this and that, and these and those. Now I can point at what I want. And it goes on for a couple of verses. Give me this, or give me that, give me this, give me that, give me this, or give me that. Now I can ask for what I want. And you know, it goes on in this vein, and then there's Frere Jacques. Well, there's so many of these. I think it's the do, re, mi thing for the pronouns. I mean, I almost always bring those with me when I'm going to be talking about unity. But there are song things for every one of these paradigms. For the pronouns, for the demonstratives, for the prepositions, for a bunch of simple verbs, for the adjectives. And you can sing them, and they can be a lot of fun.
And even older kids like them more than you would expect. I mean,
Well,
they really do.
This older kid loves them. I mean, I get a kick when I even, you know, I'm singing along with these. The older kids like them too.
Well, think about how our older kids didn't really get to sing when they were young. They just kind of got to pretend. They got to hit one button and it sang a whole.
Yes.
But they didn't
Yeah.
really get to produce, you know, words that were kind of like a song. I was amazed that I kind of was a little worried about doing it with some of my older students, and they liked it way more than I would have thought.
Wow, that's beautiful. Gail has a song for almost all these paradigms, and let's see if I can get us back to. All of these expanded words that you're going to find her paradigms for. And then the lexical verbs. These are some good ones. And they're based upon the lexical verbs that were used in Banaji. And now the demonstratives, show the architecture for the demonstratives, sing along with the demonstratives, use demonstratives in their architecture in discourse-based teaching activities. Hint, use demonstratives for objects with lexical verbs. Get this, help those. Finished that, want these. And here